All right, we are going to introduce you to the course. My name is Lisa Knight, and I'm your instructor this semester. Just a little bit about me. I have been teaching here at the college for 22 years. I have 28 years of experience under my belt. I also work as an instructional designer here with other instructors, helping them get their online classes in order. I stay pretty busy. I'm here during the summer, so I'm really looking forward to working with you guys this semester. So let's just take a quick look at your course. First of all, when you first open up your course, it will open up straight into the announcements. And anytime I make announcements, which will be weekly, I will also send them to your student email. So you should check either your email or the announcements first thing when you get into the course. Other thing that's important is to know that along the left-hand side are several areas that you'll be interested in. We have our virtual office hours on Mondays from 9 to 10. The initial place to start the course will be the Start Here section, and the assignments in that are due on the 26th at midnight. And you have to do the enrollment quiz in order to officially enroll in the course by that date. Otherwise, you'll be dropped. You'll find all your content under modules. You have a direct link to the physics forum and a direct link to information about the exam. You also have some study guides that you can use, and you have some videos listed here, additional resources. Your grades are here and the calendar is here. However, I don't use the calendar in this course. The dates are actually on the titles of the modules. So let's take a look at the Start Here section first. So when you first log into the course, you'll want to complete all 7 steps of the Start Here section. And that means that you'll be reading a lot of information and downloading your syllabus. You'll find lots of information about the types of assignments and how you're graded and what kinds of feedback you'll get back from me. You have links to important services at the college. And when you are done, the very first thing you need to do is to complete the entry verification assignment. So this is a quiz and it's based on your syllabus and the Start Here section. You can take it as many times as you want, but you have to complete it by the census date, that 5/26, in order to be enrolled in the class. And then I would like you to take some time to introduce yourself in the Form A. Once you get done with that, you can go ahead and start your content, and that you will find under modules. So let's take a look at a typical module, and we'll start with module 2. So in module 2, you'll see what the due date is. It is the 10th of June. So you'll want to make sure that you get all the assignments done by the 10th of June. Every module has the same structure. You have a list of what you should be able to do, a list of what to review, and a list of what is graded. Your reading assignments are listed here, and there are links to them. And then you have your videos to watch as well. And then you have your lab, your forum, and your quiz. So after you've read and taken notes, you can use the study guides to help you and watch videos. You can use that information and anything you need to complete the quizzes. The quizzes have multiple choice questions in them, but they also have free response questions where you have to write explanations. I'd like to give you a warning not to use AI to answer your questions. Just answer your questions in your own words. I know that you'll be Googling and using the internet to help you find answers, but please do not plagiarize. We have AI plagiarism checkers in college now, and we don't want to give you zeros. You can take the quiz twice, and the average of your attempts will be graded. The physics forum usually has you watch some sort of video and to make a post about it, and then to reply to two classmates. So in this one, you would be watching and learning the difference between mass and weight, and you need to relate this personal story that's in a meaningful way, contributes to and relates to the video, and then you need to respond to 2 other people. So we only have a week to work on this material. So I'm not really focused on it being on 3 different days or anything like that, but you do need to respond twice so that you have a total of 3 posts in order to get complete participation credit. And then finally, you will have a lab, and that lab is usually some kind of applet, and you have some kind of applet that you're going to be using, and you have a lab sheet, and you want to open up that lab sheet and make a copy of it, which will copy to your Google Drive, your CCCC Google Drive, and you want to go ahead and answer the questions as directed. And then you want to save this, go to File, and go to Download as your finished document as a PDF. Once you have done that, then you will go back to your course and you will go to the assignment link for that assignment and you will upload it and submit it. In Module 2, all of these assignments need to be done by the 10th, so you'll want to work accordingly. So this course is basically an 8-week course, but it's really originally a 16-week course. So you should expect to spend at least 5 contact hours reading and watching and studying, and 5 contact hours doing assignments. But more realistically, you probably will spend 15 to 20 hours a week on this course. So you want to plan appropriately. I want to make sure that you understand that it's really important that you contact me. So there is a contacts button here, and you can contact me via my email. Is the best way. Just allow me 48 hours to do that, to get back to you. So like I said, you really just need to use good time management skills. Avoid using ChatGPT and other AI or other sources to plagiarize. That's not cool. And send me emails. And finally, the last thing that I need to warn you about is the final exam. We require you to come take a proctored exam. It will be on Wednesday, the 17th. And if you live outside of Lee, Harnett, or Chatham counties, you can find another proctor, but it has to be approved. So information is here on this page. But you are required to take this exam. It is 30% of your grade. If you do not take it, if you do not show up for it, you will automatically receive an F. You are allowed to have a handwritten 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper with notes on both sides. That is absolutely fine, but you'll staple it and turn it in with your exam. I'm really looking forward to working with you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful summer.